are headed to church.
Actually, it's still the morning.
It's 11 o'clock. Well, it's 11 o'clock where we're at.
It's
So,
the afternoon somewhere.
yes. Anyway, we're actually not headed to church. We're headed to
Five Church.
Brunch Church.
It's a restaurant that's in a church, or an old church. So it should be fun.
A church building that has been renovated into a restaurant. And it's gotten a lot of great reviews. They supposedly have a really good crab cake Benedict. And the ceiling's supposed to be really cool because they commissioned an artist to write the art of war on the ceiling. So that should be cool.
Yeah.
So
Should be fun.
kind of over by the city market. So we'll take you inside when we get there. So I got half sweet, half unsweetened tea. Unsweetened because I've learned. And Brian got the Carolina Reaper Bloody Mary, which is so spicy.
Top two all time.
Which is Carolina Reaper is a chili.
It's like ghost chili.
It's like a ghost chili. So if you like spicy, here's your bloody. So they were out, or they don't have the crab cake Benedict anymore. It's a pork belly one. So I got that one. And Brian got the praline French toast. So we're gonna split it. So we have a little bit of sweet and savory. So we just switched plates. I love that Benedict. This looks like dessert. So we got the mimosa flight. Pineapple, we don't know.
Mystery.
Orange and pomegranate. So this one is actually cranberry. So
Yes.
tell me the order you liked them in.
So, being the traditionalist, the orange juice still number one. This was very good with the cranberry. That was good. This is a close third. And this one, well, it's still good. It was like very pomegranate. So it was like, bam. You tasted all pomegranate. So, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shopping. Of course, Brian wanted to go to the Pepper Palace.
Nice brunch. Good
Delicious.
choice. Five Church. Really cool place. Apparently this is the height of wedding season because there's like all kinds of bachelorette parties and whatnot, but it's still a fabulous place.
Yeah.
The food was really good. It was kind of a cool vibe being in an old church and with the art of war all over the ceiling.
Yeah,
It was
it's
good.
really pretty. Pretty
Yeah.
stained glass. Make a reservation for sure because they
Oh,
were
yeah.
turning people away.
We
They're
went out
huge
in the heat
parties.
for hours.
Yeah, it was packed in there. The Benedict, they don't have the crab cake Benedict, which we were disappointed about, but we got the pork belly Benedict.
It was great.
That was excellent. So it was really good. It's just a fun experience, so we would recommend it. So our friends are coming into town. We might get some ice cream tonight. We might go to the beach, but I don't know for sure if we're gonna film anything or not. So we might be saying goodnight right now. Otherwise, see you later. So.
Wow. It's my French. A couple times in
All right.
Paris, and that's why I learned.
Okay, goodbye now.